Good evening guys, welcome to my video. Okay, tonight we're going to do an unboxing video. So, ito siya. It arrived yesterday. Yung I always buy shoes designed for the Pride Month. So, consistently for 2 years now, I'm buying from Converse. So, ito yung una kong binili. So, ayan siya, ganyan. Then, next, following year naman, ito siya. Ayan. So, ang cute, diba? So, this year, akala ko, walang nilabas yung Converse. So, wala akong planong bumili. But, yung friend ko na nasa Makati, he posted something on Facebook that caught my attention. It was a Nike AirMax 90 model shoes na dedicated for the Pride Month. They called it a Nike BETRUE. So, I contacted him to check how to get the same shoe that he ordered online, and he gave me the details, and hala, ito na siya. So, we're going to do the unboxing now. So, mahilig din kasi ako sa mga AirMax, especially yung AirMax 90. So, I have a few, pero hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. Hindi siya yung mga hardcore na limited edition. But this one, wow. Look. O, diba? Ganda ng packaging. Rainbow flag. Nice. Taran! Boom. Taran! Oh, it should be like this. Para plugged. Cha! Wait, it's Gilbert. What's this? Baker? Is this Gilbert Baker? Ayan. Medyo may kalakihan po yung paa ko. Kung may gusto magbigay. Size. So, meron siyang signature ng designer. Ayan. Ooh. Para dun sa mga curious kung saan namin in-order online, ito siya. Sa Stock X. Yeah. Ooh. Say, verified authentic. So, ayan siya sa side. You notice the rainbow. It's embroidered. Then, same in front, looks like that. And then the side. Same din. Meron din siyang rainbow stitching. And actually multicolored pala yung sa lace niya. Then, that's it. Nike Air. So, inside, you see there is the designer. Gilbert Baker something. I'm not sure. I'll check later sa internet. So, be true. At yung isang side. So, yan pala ilalim niya. Tcharan, tcharan. Meron siyang mga nakasulat doon sa loob. So, first one is like Sexuality, then life, healing, sunlight, nature, magic, what's this? Serenity, and spirit. So, ayan. Excited to wear this somewhere. Happy Pride Month